In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workspace for your UI and UX projects. We'll build a simple, organized system that helps you manage design work from research all the way to final review. The goal is to keep everything in one place so your projects are easier to track, update, and revisit over time. Start by creating a dedicated workspace in Notion for your UI and UX projects. This will act as your main hub, so think of it as the home base for all your design activity. A clean workspace makes it much easier to stay focused, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. You can keep the layout simple and clear so that important information is always easy to find. Next, add a database for each design project. This gives every project its own structured space, which is helpful for separating client work, personal case studies, or internal product design tasks. Within each project entry, you'll be able to store related information and track progress without mixing details between different jobs. This also makes your workspace more scalable as your project list grows. After that, create a section for research notes. Use this area to store user research, personas, and interview notes. Keeping research connected to the project is important because it gives context to design decisions and helps you refer back to user needs at any stage. If you regularly work with discovery materials, this step will save a lot of time later when you need to review insights. Then set up a way to track design tasks. This is where you can monitor wireframes, prototypes, testing, and revisions. Having these tasks visible helps you understand what has been completed and what still needs attention. It also makes the overall workflow feel more manageable, especially during busy project phases. You'll also want a resources area where you can save design-related materials such as Figma links, reference files, and inspiration. Collecting these resources in one place reduces time spent searching through tabs, messages, or folders. It's a small step that can make your process much more efficient. Once that's ready, create different project views. For example, you can organize projects by status, deadline, or client. These views help you look at the same information from different angles, depending on what you need to focus on that day. It's one of the easiest ways to make Notion feel more practical and personalized. Finally, keep reviewing and updating the workspace as each design project progresses. A workspace only stays useful if it reflects the current state of your work. Regular updates will help you stay organized, maintain momentum, and turn Notion into a reliable system for your entire UI and UX process.